How to make your Twitter likes private. So if you want to make the likes of your Twitter to private, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at this section of Twitter from where you will be able to explore to various tweets. At the left upper corner you can see her profile. Simply tap over your profile and you need to go for settings and support. And on the right, simply go for settings and privacy. So here are various options on the settings. Simply tap over privacy and safety and you have to go for audience and tagging. So you need to know that there is no any option for making your Twitter likes private directly, but there is a way or the trick. So the trick is, if you protect your post, then only some of the followers or people will be able to see your post and also the likes on your post. So here you just have to toggle on this protect your post option, and by doing that only your current followers and people you approve will be able to see your post in the future, which means your likes on your post also will be seen by limited people on your Twitter. So you just can go back and you can open up to your post or your tweet. So here you can see my tweet right now. So after I toggle on the protect your post option, only the limited people or the people I approve will be able to see this post and also the likes and comments on this post. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention them below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.